Dito, advising na po.
Uy, ikaw pala, Ara. Happy birthday.
Hello, Ara. Happy 18th birthday. At congratulations nga pala na nakamusta ka sa video. Magpakakamit ka pala sa safety, ha? Bye-bye. Hi, Ara. Happy 18th birthday. Sorry, hindi ko makapunta sa dami mo. Pero sana masaya ka at sana matupad yung mga wishes mo. And good luck sa BA. At sana makita ka pa rin namin sa music.
Let's go. Bring it down.
Happy birthday, Ala. Ngayon na legal ka na, pwede ka nang bumoto, magmaneho, uminom, magpakasal. Pero not necessarily in that order. Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Ara!
Bring it down.
Gusto ko na! Long time no see, Iiwan mo ako kami dyan sa Maximum But anyway, happy birthday! Tsaka since birthday mo, hindi ko makakalimutan na hindi mo ako nilibre. Pero joke lang, happy birthday! May, your wish come true and then may you be happy in your new course right now. We'll always be here for you.
Let's go. We're gonna bring it down. Come on, come on.
Happy birthday, Ara.
Thank you, Kuya. Happy birthday! Baby! We hope to see you
Let's go.
more in New Zealand na nasa BA ka na. Good luck sa BA. Yeah. And you really made us proud. Ang galing mo! Happy birthday! Yay!
Happy birthday,
Musical
Ara.
projects in the house.
Hi, Ara.
Let's go. Baby.
18th birthday. Hi, Ara.
We're gonna bring it down.
Balita ko ng ship ko na sa BA. Congratulations. Sayang wala akong mask ko. Pero yun, happy birthday po rin. And I hope you enjoy your 18th.
Yeah. Radioactive Cigar Projects in the